morning, everybody. So this morning I woke up, I made myself some cinnamon buns, which was nice. Yesterday, oh, I can show you now that it's completely done. Yesterday I talked to you guys about Pantry Check, the app. Not sponsored, just found it on the App Store because I know that I have so many products in my kitchen that I haven't used, and then I forget that I have them, and then I go to the grocery store and buy it, you know. Ooh, this is kind of dark. Let me turn on this light. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I know like that I forget that I have products, and then I buy more, and then I have doubles. So yesterday I spent the entire afternoon doing inventory in my kitchen, pantry, and refrigerator. Whoa, holy whoa. So let me show you. So now I put in a total of, it's 295 products. So now if you can see, everything is categorized. So if I want to know like, oh, you know what? I want to bake something, which I don't really bake. I'm not really into like sweets. Just like having them all the time. Every once in a while, like a vegan ice cream's fun, or like maybe like a vegan cookie, but I'm just not really into making sweets. But if I wanted to, I could just go to baking ingredients here at the top, and then it tells me what I do have for like baking ingredients. So 2 baking sodas, and then I have vanilla extract. Or like, how many frozen fruits and veggies do I have? So I click on that, and it shows me exactly with images how many. And then if I have multiples, like 2 pineapples, 2 shelled edamame, you know, whatever. And then the coolest thing, this is what's really cool. Actually, one of them I know I can adjust, is if you click on one, like the organic mangoes. Hopefully that's in focus. Sorry if it's not in focus. So if I click on the organic mangoes like this, right? And I've used one of them, I can just go to this little measurement tool right here and say, oh, well, I already used half of 1 pack. So now I'm gonna slide that down to 50%, click out of it, and it says now I only have 1.5 left. Genius! It's amazing. I highly recommend this app. It's so awesome. So now I hopefully won't be rebuying. And then at the bottom here, it says expiring, and it tells you what's expired, check if spoiled, used soon, nearing expiration, and stale. So you can go through and like really clean out your kitchen. So great. So spent the afternoon doing that, which is nice. So now I am going to answer an email real quick, and then I'm going to film a makeup video. I think I'm gonna do glitter today because I have not done glitter in a while. Also, one second, my lips are chapped. Yeah, I just haven't done glitter in a while, and I thought, okay, well that's what we'll do today. And I think it's gonna be like a glitter liner look, something a little bit simple to kind of like ease back into like making beauty videos, because I've had like over a week off. Because I was like gunning them out, like right, like I was shooting out these videos left and right, amazing. Shooting, editing, putting them out, one on, you know, Instagram, one on TikTok, and doing all like the different edits and everything. And then, you know, I got tired, which is fine, but and then I came back to New York. So I just need to find my funk again, because I was like in a completely different routine back at my parents' house, and now I have to find my new routine here. So my goal today is, 1, I have to fix my lights, and then obviously I'm gonna film this, hopefully edit this, and there's another task that I wanted to do today, like a house task. Can't remember, but I'll think of it later on. Alright guys, makeup is done. This is what it's looking like. I love how it turned out. So pretty. Go to my Instagram to see how I did it. And now I am going to just take some photos for Instagram of this look. So that way when I'm done editing, I can toss it up online and it's there. So I'm painting my nails. Oh, I almost just dropped. Cool. Okay, so I'm painting my fingernails and my toenails the same color. Don't often do them the same color, but we're getting wild in quarantine, you know? So I'm using Sugar Fix by Sally Hansen. It's one of their miracle gels. I actually don't gel my nails. I don't get my nails done. I just use nail polish at home. But my favorite thing to use is nail teaks to make my nails grow. This has changed my life. Formula 1 is like if you just, they have different formulas. It's like Formula 1, 2, and 3. And it's like 3 is if you have really weak nails, and 2 is if you have really hard nails, and then 1 is just like a protein. So I have literally 2 bottles of this, and you put it on every single day. So basically what I do is I put this as the base coat, then I paint on top of it, and then every single day I just keep painting on top of that. And your nails grow like crazy. It's so nuts. And then you just like take it off and then paint again, but then I just kind of like leave it on for a few weeks and then I take it off. So I decided to do kind of like a blue cow print style on my fingernails, and then my toenails are just straight up painted blue. But done my left hand because I'm right-handed and that was so easy. So now to do my left hand, it's always, or my right hand with my left hand. This is always the tricky part. Okay, it's that time of the day where there's things I can be doing. I filmed a video, so therefore I need to edit said video, edit the photos for the video, get it ready for tomorrow. Ideally, I would like the video and the photos to go live, or the photo and then the video. Either way, to go live tomorrow. I need to work out today, and I also would like to go for a walk today. It's 5:15. And I need to make dinner, which, truth be told, I could have the shrimp curry from last night. Okay, I'll have the shrimp curry from last night because then I can just finish that out, finish it up, and then, so that takes one thing off, but I'm just tired. I've been watching like an hour's worth, almost an hour and a half's worth of YouTube videos because I'm just tired. It's just that point in the day where I'm like exhausted. So I just drank Amina. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these before. This is the citrus black tea flavor, and it's unsweetened tea that's sparkling, and it's fantastic. So hopefully that gives me some energy, but I'm just tired. So I'm gonna get up. I think I'm gonna just eat now, and then maybe I'll eat, work out, shower, take all of this off. Maybe, because the thing is, I don't want to shower and then get sweaty again. Okay, I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna work out, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna go for a walk. Or honestly, I might eat, work out, go for a walk, and then come back and shower, because since like, you know, you wanna come inside after, you know, from being outside with the Rona and like wash up anyway, maybe that's what I'll do. All right, that's what we're doing. Dinner time. cute. So, haven't moved from this location if it looks very familiar. I did finish editing the video, but then I started editing. I was like, well, let me just start, you know, get a head start on the vlog that I'm editing. Went down a whole rabbit hole of like editing effects that I want to include, and then I was like having issues doing one type of editing effect, and it drove me crazy. So then I watched like 3 different videos on how to do said effect. Sucked down the rabbit hole. It's now 11:40. I sat down and ate around 6, so I've just been here for 5 hours and 40 minutes. So I'm still editing the vlog right now, but the video and the photo for today's look, if you can't tell, I'm a gloss queen right now, are done. The photos are live. The video goes live tomorrow. The vlog goes live. Gosh, who knows when, because this is a long vlog. But I also wanted to show you, I made a banana and beet ice cream. Yum. And I just put this in a plastic container I had that I had cleaned out and was planning on reusing for food anyway. So it's kind of the perfect dessert holder, you know? So here I am editing. So I'm gonna finish up this like one clip and then call it a night and go to bed. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.